Your Philips SmartSleep should be cleaned each week. Begin by removing the forehead sensor from the forehead sensor band located on the inside of the headband. Submerge just the forehead sensor into a solution of dish soap and water. Never submerge the headband in water, as this will damage the components. If necessary, use a soft bristled brush to remove debris. Rinse the sensor thoroughly and set it aside to dry. Wipe the inner lining of the headband with at least 3 pre-moistened facial towelettes, the kind typically used to remove makeup. Use a soft bristled brush to dislodge any stubborn dirt. Inspect the sensor and headband for cleanliness. Allow the parts to air dry completely before you reassemble and use SmartSleep again. Remember that air drying can take a while, so it's best to do this in the morning so it has time to dry before bed. Philips.